Hello, I'm Bill from Novastar Europe team. Today, this video, I will talk about our Novastar 3D solution. As the picture shows, among a variety of 3D technologies, glassy temp and naked eye temp are commonly used in the ID industry. In daily life, 3D movies in the cinema are likely to use polarization solution, while Novastar provides the active shutter 3D solution. Human eyes can observe the 3D world because the distance between the two pupils makes the left and right eyes see different images. Therefore, the brain receives different overlapped parts from eyes. This is called parallax effect, which makes people sense the distance to an object, therefore having 3D senses. Shutter 3D realizes its effects by increasing the refresh rate. By dividing the number of image frames into two sets of images, which interlaced and played continuously to the left and right eyes correspondingly. In the meantime, infrared signal transmitter synchronizes with 3D controller to control the switch on the active shutter glasses, making our eyes see the corresponding image at the right time. This animation shows the working process of the glasses. 3D display is all about reconstruct parallax in an artificial way. Video output mode and switch mode are the keys to reconstruct parallax. This picture shows the complete device link diagram of the Novastar 3D solution. Use a Nova Pro UHD Junior to carry a 4K by 1K LD screen. The computer DP 1.2 outputs a left and right format video source of 8K by 1K, and then synchronize it into a 3D source of 4K by 1K at 120 Hz by UHD Junior. The network port 1 of UHD Junior is connected to the EMT200 3D emitter to send a synchronization signal to the glasses. This table is a SD card that Novastar currently supports 3D function. According to the screen size, if the screen is smaller than 4K by 1K, you can choose MCTR at 4K. If you need zoom function, you can choose UHD Junior. Is the screen larger than 4K by 1K, you can choose H-Series. Besides my sharing, there are also some 3D solution user manual. Thanks for watching.